In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Profile Brave browser. By the end, you'll have a clear, personalized profile picture in Brave so you can spot your browsing profile at a glance and keep things visually organized. First, open Brave browser. Give it a second to load your home page or a new tab. These steps are designed for the desktop version of Brave on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. If what you see looks a little different, that's usually just due to a theme or a minor version difference, but the options will be in the same general place. Look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three horizontal lines. This is the main menu icon, often called the hamburger menu. You'll find it beside the address bar and other toolbar icons. If your window is narrowed, some icons may collapse, but the menu stays tucked up there on the right. From that menu, click on Settings. This opens a dedicated Settings tab where you can manage everything from privacy to appearance. Brave organizes settings into sections, and the area we want is focused on your profile's visual identity. In the Settings tab, find and click on Profile Name and Icon. The label might appear in the main panel or in a relevant section, but it will be clearly named. Opening this page brings you to the controls that affect how your profile looks across the browser interface. Now, choose an avatar to make it your profile picture. You'll see a set of colorful icons and characters designed to stand out. Click the one that feels right for you. As soon as you select it, Brave applies that avatar to your profile. This means you'll notice it on the top bar of the browser and in places where profiles are shown, helping you instantly recognize which profile you're using. Pick something distinct and high contrast so it's easy to spot even on a busy desktop. If you experiment with a few options, you'll notice the preview updates immediately, so you can settle on a look you'll enjoy seeing every day. That's all you need to do. Your choice is saved automatically, and your profile now has a clear visual identity in Brave. This small bit of personalization helps reduce confusion and makes switching context feel smoother, especially if you keep several browser windows open during your day. To recap, you opened Brave, went to the main menu in the upper right, entered settings, selected profile name and icon, and picked the avatar you like. Simple, quick, and effective. Thanks for following along and enjoy your newly customized profile in Brave.